All right, thank you for joining us now on Matters Banking Sector Performance. Co-operative Bank has released its Q3 results, reporting a profit after tax of 18.4 billion shillings compared to 17.1 billion shillings reported in 2022. Now, their total assets grew to 661.3 billion shillings, which is a 6.3% growth from 622.1 billion shillings in the same period last year. Now, with the net loans and advances growing to 378.1 billion shillings, the performance was also boosted by total operating expenses decreasing by 2.1% from 29.6 billion to 29 billion Kenya shillings. Right now, Co-operative Bank of Kenya is the overall winner in this year's Sustainable Finance Catalyst Award.